Dahil nanood kami ng movie ng asawa ko. Yung Mission Impossible kay Tom Cruise. Pinanood namin siya kagabi. I mean, like, hindi ko ina-expect na 2 hours pala siya. Almost 3 hours na movie siya. So, yeah, hindi ko na ang vlog. And nakatulog na lang kami sa around like 2 o'clock na lang ata ng madaling araw. Dahil tatapusin ko, hindi ko na sana tatapusin yung movie kasi nga madaling araw na siya. Pero yung asawa ko talaga, hindi, panonoorin kita. Kasi bukas balik na siya ng work. Kaya gusto niya tapusin ng movie kasi hindi na naman alam kung kailan makakapanood ng movie. So anyways, today is Wednesday. Back na ng school ang mga bagets natin. And so yeah, kaya inaantok pa ako dahil gumising ako ng nag-alarm ako ng 4:30. Pero tumayo ako ng 5 o'clock. So I have to make some breakfast sa aking mga estudyante. Kaya gawa tayo ng breakfast. Siguro eggs na lang ang gagawin ko kasi mas easier yung eggs. And marami akong hugasan dahil hindi ako naghugas kagabi. Dahil nga nung natulog na yung mga bata, inilagay ko sila sa bed ng around 7:45. And then 5-15 minutes sa TV. And then pagkatapos nun, natulog na sila. And siguro mga around 8 o'clock na yon. And as soon as alam namin na natulog na sila, yun, doon na kami hindi pa kami nakapag-decide na manonood kami. Nakapag-decide kami na manonood kami ng movie around 11 na lang ata yun. Yeah, kaya, yeah. But anyways, yun. Gawa muna tayo ng breakfast. And so day off pa rin ang asawa ko today. And meron siyang doctor's appointment pero hindi na ako sasama kasi nga magtatanggal tayo ng mga decoration natin today ng mga Christmas stuff. And maglilipit na tayo para makapag-start ng fresh ngayong 2024. So mag-a-undecorate tayo. So pretty much itong vlog natin for today is cleaning day, undecorate, and so yeah. So yung pusa ko yun. So let's go make breakfast. Guys, tignan nyo, si Chad. Ngayon niya lang sinasabi na nagwiwigili-wigili na pala itong teeth niya na ito. So, tatanggalin natin.
Yeah. I really wanted to do the same with Caleb.
Sit down for a second.
Okay. Like,
what did he do?
Like last time when it was the first day of school.
Kaya pala hindi siya masyadong kumakain dahil
well, that was easy. It was the wiggliest.
Oh, yun na, tanggal na.
It was the most wiggliest, most easiest one to get out.
Oh, ayan guys, tignan nyo, hindi man dumugo or anything. Like, it's not bleeding or anything. Oh my gosh, nag-iisa na lang eh. Caleb, you missed it. Kuya just
lost a tooth.
Yeah.
It isn't bleeding yet either.
Yeah, I just took it out while you're in the bath.
It was the most wiggliest tooth of all.
Yeah. Ayan guys, ready na tayo. Sobrang malamig.
I don't get it.
What?
Why didn't Christmas?
Tignan nyo yung snow. Daming stuff.
Mine is the big.
Did you guys do that?
Face. Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Mine is the big.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Face. I did a little.
Okay, let's go. Ayan na sila guys. Ready na. First back. After Christmas break. Oh, school here a little bit. Sado ka yun. Alright, love you guys. Ay, be good, okay? Listen to your teacher. After Christmas break, ayan, back to school na. Back to reality na tayo. Bye-bye! Daran! Gising na ang ating Troy. Gumising siya guys na masakit daw yung tummy niya.
I don't want to eat my eye hurting.
Masakit daw ang tummy niya. Tapos, nagsabi siya na baka daw throw up daw siya, masusuka. So, dinala ko siya sa bathroom. Ayun. Hindi naman siya nagsuka. Yung parang na ano lang siya. Yung dito, ang tawag dito sa Amerika is nag-gag. Yung gano'n-gano'n lang. Pero hindi naman siya sumuka. Yung gano'n. Gag ang tawag doon dito sa Amerika. Pero hindi ko alam. Hindi, sa English, gag ang tawag doon. Pero hindi ko alam anong tawag sa Tagalog doon. But anyway, so yun. Masakit to ang tummy ng bebe boy. So, yung asawa ko, guys, umalis na siya. Medyo nagmadali kasi 8 o'clock pala yung kanyang appointment. O, diba? Ginising ko siya. Well, kanina ko pa siya ginising before ko hinatid yung dalawa sa school bus. Sa bus stop. And, ayun tumayo. Siguro kasi dahil nga natulog na lang kami around 2 o'clock na lang. So, yun. Yeah, let me turn this up a little bit for you. Ayan. So, ayan. Kaya, yan, na-late siya. Hindi man late, pero syempre, nagmamadali sa daan. Ayun ang hindi maganda. But, ayun. So, anyways, nilagyan ko ng efficacent oil ang tummy ni Troy. Simula nung naglagay ako ng mga, like, pag may sakit sila sa tummy nila, efficacent oil ang lagi ko talaga nilalagay. And, so far, it really works. Kahit asawa ko, nilalagyan ko siya ng efficacent oil, and talagang, sabi niya, I love this thing. Sabi niya gano'n. So, to be honest, guys, yung efficacent oil na yan, binili ko yan noong lumabas si Chad, 2015. And until now, yan pa rin yung gamit ko. As in, hindi siya, dahil syempre, bihira ko lang siyang ginagamit, meron pa rin siyang, as in, talagang may pa rin siya, may effect pa rin siya. Pero, once na makabili ako ng bagong efficacent oil, baka i-let go ko na yung dati ko pang, yung ginagamit ko ngayon na efficacent oil. Kasi, I don't know. Basta, as in, like ganyan lang yung nagamit ko. Hindi siya, like, buong, talagang ganyan lang yung nagamit ko. Ganito siya kalaki, pero ganyan pa lang yung nagagamit ko. Kasi, hindi ko naman siya talaga ginagamit palagi. Kaya, yeah. So, akala ko, wala na siyang effect. Pero, my gosh, meron pa rin pala. So, I'm happy. Are you okay na, baby? Yeah. Kuya went to school. Ngayon na, 2024 na, guys. Oh my G. 2024 na rin mag-i-school na si Kuya Troy. Are you ready to go to school? Are you ready to ride a bus? No? You're not ready to ride the bus? You're gonna be riding with Kuya Chad and Kuya Caleb.
I want to ride a car.
You want
older.
You want to ride a car?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not older.
When you're older, okay. When you're older. So, si Natalia natutulog pa siya. So, I might go back to sleep. Dapat mag-decorate na tayo, pero gusto ko mag-coffee, but nakalimutan ko uminom ng aking gamot. So, we have to wait an hour before tayo uminom or kumain na kahit na ano. Yeah. Guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog this morning. Dahil ako po ay nakatulog. Dahil, ayan, nakatulog ako. And si Troy naman, okay naman na siya. Are you okay na, bebe? Are you okay na? Okay na siya kasi naglalaro na siya ng iPad niya. Si ate girl din. What are you eating, ate? What are you eating? An apple.
I want to see my iPad.
So, di na nakapag-vlog kaganina umaga. Dahil nakatulog talaga ako. As in, mga around 7:30, parang ganun ata, or 8 o'clock, nakatulog ako dito sa chair ko. And then, nagising na lang ako like around 11. O, diba? Yeah. Eh, andito lang naman kasi yung mga bagets, nanonood ng TV, ganyan. Yeah. Tapos, dumating yung asawa ko, and siya na yung nagpakain sa kanilang dalawa for breakfast. Yeah, kaya ayun. So, kaya sinundo na yung dalawang magkuya sa bus stop ng asawa ko. And, yeah, siya din nagsundo sa kanila dahil tinatamad na ako. So, ang dinner natin for tonight is, yung mga bagets, ang pagkain nila is, macaroni and cheese and sausage. And then kami ng asawa ko, ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Red beans and rice. Yun ang with sausage. So, yun ang aming dinner tonight. So, last night, dapat manunood ng mga bata ng movie. So, wala pa ako nagagawa today, guys. And yung tree, ayan pa yung Christmas tree natin. Sa Friday, kailangan kong dalhin si Chad at Caleb para sa kanilang basketball. Kasi, meron silang, ano ba yun? Tumawag yung coach nila ni Caleb, na kailangan siyang dalhin doon para mamili sila kung sino yung mga team na gusto nila. So, malapit na mag-start sila mag-basketball. So, tomorrow, Friday, kailangan natin silang bilhan ng shoes. Kasi baka next week, start na sila ng practice. So, wala pa kasi silang shoes na maayos. Kaya, kailangan mabilhan natin sila ng shoes. Yeah. So, marami tayong mga, exciting na gagawin this 2024. So, yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully, lahat ng mga plan namin ng asawa ko is mangyari. Hopefully, lahat ng plan namin is matupad. This 2024, hopefully. Yeah, I'm just excited na this 2024. Hopefully talaga matupad yung mga plan namin ng asawa ko. So, yeah.
So we're 15 minutes behind because we had to
Yeah, you guys are late.
yeah, we had to
Excuse you, cat.
We
said, nope, I got there.
had to wait because of the 5 minutes.
What happened?
Because of the construction.
Yeah, what happened?
All construction.
The construction.
They were tearing down trees. Trees help us breathe.
Where?
Like in the middle of the road, where like after, where like you go and then you pass like a house and then it's like and then they stopped road work so I get to see how far you
Ang ganda ng story mo doon. Your story looks so I really understand your story, Caleb. It's like right there at like the house and then who gave that to you? Oh, Miss Blevins. You know, I completely forgot to get everything out of your backpack until this morning. And I didn't know that your teacher got you that. Alright, let me see your backpack. See what you guys have. So guys, they are like 15 minutes late dahil nagka-cut daw ng trees sa road, kaya instead na they get home about 2:50. No, they didn't come home until like 3 o'clock or something. What is this? Yeah, 3:11. They got home at 3:11. Here, can you put these in the table, please? And get your drink. And get your drink too.
Yeah, you know what's happening next.
Alright, let's see what Caleb got. Oh,
goodness gracious.
Caleb's gingerbread that he did. That I did.
Do some workouts for this fat thing.
Oh, be careful.
Look.
Oh, look at you, baby girl. Did Daddy move you, Kikit? Did Daddy move you? Hi. Kuya Caleb have a googly eye. Yeah, well, it's okay. He can have some googly eye. Kikit, did Daddy move you? Huh?
yes
Yeah, it's a Pikachu one. Kikit, Daddy move you? Huh? Say, yeah, he moved me. Now I'm going back to my spot. Okay. Alright, there we go. Oh, did you ask him about his tooth? He showed you? It's dinner time. So, Natalia, Kuya, and Kuya Caleb are eating macaroni and cheese and sausage. Si Troy, ayaw niya ng so gusto niya lang ng sandwich lang ang gusto niya. Medyo hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya, kaya, ayan. Yan lang kinakain niya ngayon. Pero okay lang yan. At least kumakain siya ng something. Why? So, this is mine and Daddy's dinner. What is this again?
Red beans and
red
rice.
Beans and rice. Ayan.
With kielbasa.
With kielbasa sausage. Ayan. Ignore the mess in there. I have to clean that tomorrow. Hi guys! So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog yung pagkatapos na kumain ng mga bata. And, yeah, hindi na nakapag-vlog nung kumain kami. And, yeah, so, yeah. Wala tayong ginawa today. As in, ginawa natin is katamaran. Ayun, ang ginawa natin today. But, yeah, just ko inaantok na ako. But anyways, yung mga bata guys, natulog na naman sila sa floor. Hindi ko alam na natulog sila sa floor. Yeah. Pero wala tayong magagawa dahil nakalatag and everything. So, yeah. Pakita ko sa inyo bukas yung kanilang situation. But anyways, end ko ng vlog guys. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog ngayon. Medyo walang kwenta ang vlog natin today, but I hope nag-enjoy kayo. So, thank you guys so much for watching guys, and sa support and sa panunood ninyo. Maraming salamat. And yun. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. Good night.